So I found some elk up here. There's about, I heard about 300 or 400 up here. Driving down the road to get to this other road access point. True truck hunting right now. But we got a hike about a mile and a half down this ridge line. We got some downward wind coming off the mountains. So we're gonna walk up this little drainage, see if we can get within rifle distance to test out this new Weatherby. So I took the shot and I watched the impact go just slightly over the elk's back, and so my cant was right, my wind was right. I think I might have just gotten my ballistics incorrect, and so I'm gonna go back to the truck and see if I can get this figured out, and we'll go back out and look for the elk. They probably shouldn't move very far. So we were able to sneak up on these elk right here. They're only about 343 yards out. I got my ballistics right, got everything adjusted. The wind's constant, they don't know I'm here. I've been set up here for a couple minutes, and the wind is 30 MOA to the right, so here goes nothing.